Hello and welcome back to another one. Now this one's going to be a very quick one, and it's only going to be about the slide drop down that I made for my previous camp fridge. It was a Oztrail 95 litre, something like that. The video's up here. So ever since then the Oztrail died and I upgraded to a Dometic Cfx 95. Now my car comes back in a week or so and I've got 4 weeks to get it painted, interior, the tray, the canopy fit out, rooftop tent, and it's really starting to stress me out because I need to be in Sydney by a certain date with that car for some certain reasons. So what I've done here is mocked the slide up in the back of the old work bus because I really need to see if the Dometic 95 fits this, because I need to modify it other than that quick smart so it's ready to go when the canopy's here. So see if it fits. Oh my lord, are you joking? Wow. Oh, now that's pure luck. That fits in like a glove. Wow. So obviously this is not the canopy height or anything like that, but as you can see from here, when the fridge is actually in the slide, plenty of room to access your food. And the only reason why I went with a fridge drop down slide, because I'm only 5'6", I don't want the fridge to be sliding out at this height and then looking in. Exactly the same reason as why I made the redraw pull out kitchen, because I don't want to be cooking up here, nor do I want to be accessing my fridge from this height either. So I'll show you how it folds up. Oh yeah, there we go. And then when it's inside the canopy, this handle gets clipped on by support from the roof. No, I don't have plans. If you want plans, I need 50 people to comment below hashtag I want plans, and then I'll go in to an in-depth video on how to make these things, because they're pretty easy. This probably cost, I don't know, say with the draw slides, $300, something like that, and a welder. So, and the only thing you really need to weld is this bottom base. So yeah, I'm hella happy with that. Yes. One thing I don't have to do. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one when the van turns up, the ute, and we can get stuck into painting and everything else that needs to happen. Thanks for watching, guys.